Today, I'm showing you how to make an easy summer salad that only takes about 20 minutes to make. It may be quick and easy, but there is big flavor in this salad. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make a summer orzo salad that's full of grilled veggies and tossed with a lemony vinaigrette. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn my favorite variations for this summer salad, and be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. So the first thing we need to do to make our orzo salad is get our orzo cooking. So I have a pot of boiling water behind me, salted well. I'm just going to add about a cup of orzo. Now you could use orzo in this salad. You could also use quinoa, you could use couscous, you could really mix it up, but I'm using orzo, so the instructions are for the orzo. So it takes about 9 minutes. I'm gonna add this to the boiling water, let that cook while we're doing everything else. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is start prepping our grilled veggies for this salad. So we have an ear of corn, and you can check out my video for how to easily remove the husk and the silk from corn. I've got an easy trick for that up my sleeve. I'll share the link in the show notes. We're also going to add a bell pepper. All right. Add that to our plate. And you know what? I'm just going to pop this stem part out of here because this is perfectly good pepper up here. And we will use that. And I have a red onion. We're going to use about half of this. So we'll just remove that onion peel. Okay, so we need to coat our vegetables with some vegetable oil. So I'm just going to drizzle a bit over here, over each piece, and just use my basting brush to make sure everything is nicely coated. All the sides are coated. Okay, this is looking good. So next up, we are going to get these cooking either on a grill or a grill pan, whichever. If it's summer, throw it outside on the grill. If it's winter or raining or whatever, you can always use a grill pan. Okay, we're going to just transfer our vegetables right to the grill pan. We want as much surface area on the pan as we can get. So make sure you put your vegetables down where you're getting as much contact with the grill as possible. Ooh, it already smells good. There's something about onions and peppers cooking that, Okay, looks like we're just about done. I'm going to transfer these vegetables back to the plate. We're gonna let them cool for a little bit. Okay, so in the meantime, our orzo is finished cooking, so I have that off draining. We just need to chop our vegetables. So first things first, I'm going to get this ear of corn into the bowl. So if you just stand it up and run your knife right down the cob, you can get all those kernels off. And that char is gonna add great flavor to our salad. Alrighty. Then we're gonna chop up our peppers and onions, and you want them about the same size as the corn kernels. So nice and small, because our orzo is pretty small. You don't wanna have big bites of one thing and small bites of something else. You wanna try to keep it as close to the same sizes as possible. So nice fine dice on these vegetables. Okay, so here we have our corn, our peppers, our onions. We're going to set this aside. We're gonna work on our vinaigrette, and then we're gonna bring this all together. Okay, so we're going to make a bit of a vinaigrette here. So I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. You could use olive oil if you'd like. I'm also going to kick up this lemon flavor by zesting our lemon in addition to the juice. So hold the rasp the right way. You just want a teaspoon or so. That's about the zest of one lemon. You don't want to go down into the white part, just the yellow. And this is where that bright lemony flavor comes from. You think it's the juice, but most of that flavor is in the oils, in the peel, and that's what we're going for. This is a lemony orzo salad after all. Okay, that looks good. You always want to zest before you juice it because it's much easier to zest a whole lemon than a squeezed one. I know it sounds basic, but there's times even I forget to do that. And then just juice your lemon. I like to do it right over my fingers because I can catch the seeds. They act as like a little sieve. I just have them just slightly apart where they're catching the lemon seeds. But we don't need seeds in our sauce. Okay, this is perfect. Almost done. I'm going to add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning blend here. And some minced parsley. I'm going all in. Can't have enough of that. And then we're just going to whisk this together. Perfect. Set that aside and we'll build our salad right here. Okay, so we're going to add our orzo, cooked orzo, into our vegetables. And I like to add the dressing while the orzo is still warm because I feel like it'll soak it up so much better. It'll just get into all that delicious pasta. So in she goes. And that's it, guys. Look at how super simple this was to make. So we're just going to let everything cool and come together, and then we can dive in for a taste. Just look at the colors in this salad. You can almost see the flavor. Now, before we dig in, let me share some ingredient variations for this recipe. First, you can easily change up the veggies. Like, I like to substitute zucchini or cucumbers. I've even swapped the bell peppers out for roasted red peppers. And my friend Michelle told me one thing that will kick this flavor up 1000%. Grill the lemons. Zest them first, put that aside, cut them in half, flesh side down on the grill pan, and get those lemons grilled. The juice from a grilled lemon is amazing. You can also add crumbled feta cheese and olives to give this a Mediterranean twist. And we talked about the different types of pastas and stuff that you can use. So instead of orzo, you can swap it out for quinoa or couscous. The possibilities are really endless. This is just a building block for you. Now, I cannot wait to dig into this salad. Going in. Big spoon right in this bowl. Oh, you guys. The grilled flavor from the veggies and that bright lemon. This lemony salad is definitely a keeper. You won't believe how easy this was to pull together. There are so many great summer salad recipes out there. I have an amazing spaghetti salad recipe you can make in under 20 minutes. It's always a crowd pleaser. You don't want to miss it. Check it out here. I'll see you there.